All these inventions that
Yeah.
people have done in the past probably came out of boredom, right? If we're just sitting on our devices, our children, even ourselves, are not thinking what can make life better and create something, invent something that will help humanity, help society. So you have to
God,
embrace that boredom.
you are so correct. Oh my gosh. They get fed constantly,
Constantly. So they're not
constantly.
thinking.
No thoughts. I'm
No,
being fed what to think.
think.
I no longer have a rational thoughts of my own. I no longer take bits of information, make sure it makes sense for me to come up with my own ideas, to be creative. Instead, I'm acting emotionally and doing things that
Yeah.
really normal, rational people wouldn't.
Yeah.
And that's why I don't scroll
Yeah.
social media. And I use it to promote what we're doing and get the message out like this.
Right. But we try to limit ourselves on there. Sometimes I find myself going on there a lot if we're sitting through a game at the school because, but anyway, I have to remind myself constantly.
Sucks you in.
It does.
It sucks you
As
in.
an adult, I practice mindfulness to just know when to stop myself from being sucked into that social media or that phone, that light. Even at night, I want to read a book. I make sure and I deleted all the social media apps, any type of shop app, anything. I just have,
Distract.
yes, I just
Yeah.
have my email and my Kindle
Yeah, we got to talk to you about
reading.
the email. Email got to go off. 'Cause ding, 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 ding. Yeah. But you're right, though, because you got to have good sleep hygiene because that can be a bad input to